about what we've got outside right now, though, currently in central Alabama. Not a bad start to the day, not a bad afternoon, although a little bit on the warm side. Numbers in the mid-80s, 84 right now. A little bit of humidity out there, 67-degree dew point, so there's some moisture in the air. Don't think it's going to be enough to cause any widespread rain, but a couple of little light showers aren't out of the question at all for today. 88 right now in Jasper, 84 Tuscaloosa, 86 in Talladega. So there are some spots that are pretty warm for this afternoon, and will get warmer for later on today. We're expecting more upper 80s and close to 90-degree weather by the time we get to, say, 3 to 4 o'clock this afternoon. But it looks like today might be the last day we flirt with those sort of numbers. We'll talk about that in a little bit. We have plenty of moisture moving in from the east, and it's all due to, yes, Michael. It has caused a lot of disruption across the Florida Keys and also the western tip of Cuba. Lots of heavy rainfall and lots of wind as Michael still churns. 75-mile-per-hour hurricane as it moves slowly to the north. Once it gets in the Gulf of Mexico, we're expecting it to strengthen. After that, what happens to the track? After that is a point that we're going to need to watch very, very closely because that could directly impact us. So right now, it looks like the track kind of takes it into the Florida Panhandle, but any shift over to the left, any shift to the west at all will impact us, meaning we'll see more rain, we'll see more wind, and the chance for severe weather. But if it stays on this projected track right now, it looks like our impacts would be minimal, thankfully. The timing would be Wednesday afternoon into the evening and possibly early Thursday morning. And then Michael is out of here, and we see some much cooler air move in. The reason why is we've got a cold front that'll sweep through. If that cold front's a little late, it looks like Michael could head due north, but if it's a little early or right on time, we miss the big impact. So the futurecast shows Michael moving on shore by Wednesday afternoon late into the evening time hours with some rain moving into central Alabama by Wednesday. I don't think we're going to escape the rain, but it's the wind and the severe weather potential that we'll be watching very closely. That could be a big problem. But right now, it looks like most of the models shift that heavier weather, that stronger weather, well to our east. And that's where we'd like it. But still, a lot to unpack here over the next couple of days. So some clouds, it's going to stay warm, upper 80s and low 90s for afternoon highs. Your forecast for tonight, middle 70s and low 70s when you wake up tomorrow morning. A few clouds around, but we'll stay mostly clear for the morning. A mixed bag of weather for us Wednesday and Thursday. That's when Michael will impact our weather around here. And then after that, looking absolutely gorgeous for Friday and the weekend ahead. Lots of events happening this weekend. Should be perfect fall-like weather.